Unlocking the secrets of complex corrective waves in Elliott Wave theory is now within your reach using Tradingview's powerful charting tools. Today, we're diving deep into how to identify and trade the double combo wave pattern, a sophisticated structure that often signals significant trend reversals. A double combo wave is essentially two three-wave corrective patterns that have come together. Connected by an X wave, think of it as a zigzag followed by a flat, or two zigzags, linked by a single corrective wave. First, let's understand the building blocks we're looking for: clear impulsing or corrective three-wave structures on Tradingview. Use your trend lines and wave labeling tools to sketch these out tentatively. The key is to identify a completed three-wave move, often labeled ABC. Following this first correction, a connecting X wave emerges. This X wave itself will be a three-wave correction, typically a zigzag. Observe its internal structure on Tradingview, looking for clear impulses within the X wave. After the X wave concludes, we anticipate a second three-wave corrective pattern. This second pattern completes the double combo. Tradingview's Fibonacci extension and retracement tools become crucial here to project potential endpoints of this final leg. The magic of the double combo lies in its predictive power. Once the pattern is confirmed, it often precedes a strong trend reversal in the opposite direction of the overall corrective structure. Look for confirmation after the final leg of the second correction, such as a break of a trend line or formation of an impulse wave. To trade this, an entry after the completion of the second three-wave correction, with a stop-loss placed beyond the high of the X wave, offers a favorable risk-reward ratio. Target zones can be projected using Fibonacci extensions from the initial legs of the combo. Mastering the double combo wave on Tradingview provides a significant edge for identifying complex corrective structures and capitalizing on emerging trends. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be spotting these powerful patterns with confidence.